It's sad how many of us take our lungs for granted. Although this organ keeps us alive and well, we still neglect them for the most part. As such, it's of paramount importance to take care of your lung health. Have you tried steam therapy? It's one of the great ways of cleansing your lungs and making them healthy again. Learn more about this and many more in this video. 7 ways to make your lungs like new again. Welcome back, viewers. We all want to get healthier. Ironically, rarely do we think about protecting and maintaining the health of our lungs. Today's the time to change that. With time, our lungs age just like other parts of the body. But by adopting certain habits, changes, and practices such as exercising more and eating more anti-inflammatory foods, you'll basically be enjoying a new pair of lungs. Want to know more about these ways? Make sure to continue watching the video until the end. Before we move on, a like would be awesome. Number 1. Get a steam therapy. Otherwise known as steam inhalation, this method involves inhaling water vapor to open your airways and help drain mucus from the lungs. Also, steam adds warmth and moisture to the air, which can promote better breathing, while also loosening mucus within the airways and lungs. Number 2. Exercise to breathe better. When you exercise, your muscles are forced to work harder. This then increases your breathing rate, leading to a greater supply of oxygen to the muscles. Moreover, it helps improve circulation, which boosts the body's ability to remove excess carbon dioxide that is produced when exercising. Over time, your muscles will learn to use oxygen more efficiently and release less carbon dioxide. Number 3. Use an air purifier. Nothing beats the feeling of being able to breathe easy, especially for those who suffer from lung or heart problems. That's where air purifiers come in. You can now start cleansing your lungs by enhancing the air quality in your home. Air purifiers come in many sizes. You can get one for your bedroom or invest in a household-wide purifier. Number 4. Try percussion. Chest percussion is a technique that helps in draining fluid from the lungs. It involves lying with your head lowered down and tapping lightly on your back, working from top to bottom. Your back is tapped firmly with cupped hands to loosen secretions. As for the tipped position, it's done to help the secretions move up and out of the lungs. Number 5. Eat more anti-inflammatory foods and drinks. Sometimes breathing difficulties can be due to inflammation of the airways. When this happens, your chest can feel heavy and congested. Consider eating more anti-inflammatory foods to reduce inflammation and help you breathe easier. Foods like berries, turmeric, walnuts, leafy greens, and beans are great examples. Number 6. Minimize exposure to pollutants. Chemicals in home and work, secondhand smoke, and radon can cause or worsen lung disease. Keep your home and car smoke-free. On bad air days, try not to exercise outside. At home, dust your furniture and vacuum at least once a week. Open your windows frequently as well to increase indoor air ventilation. Number 7. Drink green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants may help reduce inflammation in the lungs. These compounds can also protect lung tissue from the negative effects of smoke inhalation. We suggest drinking at least 2 cups of green tea per day for healthier lungs. What do you think about this video? Share your thoughts and questions, if any, below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.